Hi guys, I'm back with a new video, and today we shall be discussing about intellectual property rights, the different types of intellectual property and how you can use them to protect your innovation or something that, or your work, your intellectual property work. So welcome as we discuss about this. There are different types of intellectual property rights. These include patents, copyrights, trade secrets, and trademarks. Today we shall just focus on these four, but there are others like industrial designs, utility models, geographical indications. So there are so many forms of intellectual property, but let's just focus on these four for this video. So let's discuss what is a trademark. So a trademark is a mark that distinguishes goods from other goods or services from another service. So it is a unique identifier. It shows that these goods belong to a certain company and this service is offered by a different company because they have a mark. There is a trademark. That is what trademark is about. So a trademark can either be a word, a symbol, a design, a logo, or a mark. It can even be a combination of all these. It can be a word with a symbol, with a design, and with a mark. So a trademark offers exclusive right of use. That means that other people cannot use your trademark without your consent, without you licensing them or assigning them the right to use that trademark. In Kenya, you have to register your trademark. A trademark in Kenya, it protects you for a period of 10 years, and then you can renew for a consecutive period of 10 years and more and more. So you keep renewing your trademark. Examples of a trademark or examples of trademarks: Coca-Cola. Look at that logo. The logo of Coca-Cola has both letters. It has a unique color and it has a word art. That distinguishes the products of Coca-Cola from other products. And then Safaricom. So Safaricom, they have a mark, this red mark. So you can see it's a combination of a mark and letters and even colors. It has both white and green. So everywhere you go and see this, you associate it with Safaricom, with that company. Yes. So and then we have Apple. Apple uses an apple fruit. Like you can see, it's unique in its own way, and we can distinguish the products of Apple from other products because they have a trademark. So that's what a trademark is about. So if you are a company, if you started your company, you have registered a company, you have a domain name, it's good you have a logo, you have a trademark that distinguishes your products from other companies' products. It makes sure that other people will not also use your trademark. If you have not registered your trademark, then it's available for use. Other people can take it and use it. So it is very important that you register your trademark. Let's talk about trade secrets. Just like the name states, it's a secret and it's supposed to be a secret. It cannot be registered. You cannot register a trade secret because it is a secret. It's only known for the person who holds it. So it's up to you to keep the secret. A trade secret can be a formula on how you develop a certain product. For example, Coca-Cola, they have their own unique formula of making that soft drinks that is not known by other companies. It can be a pattern. It can be a compound or a process that you use to do a particular task. So that is a secret, and you keep it as a secret. In every business, there are trade secrets that if they go out there, then you're likely to lose business, you're likely to lose customers. So keep them secret to avoid competition. So a trade secret offers you competitive advantage against your competitors. So that means that they don't know what you use maybe to make your product. Even if they know, they don't know how you combine them, the process that you use. All that is a secret. But once the secret is out, not much can be done to save it. So it's up to you, the owner of a company or a business or an individual, even your source code or an object code for your software as you do your software development. Keep it as a secret because once it's out there, then there's nothing much that can be done to protect it. Yes, unless it is protected under copyright. Let's go to copyright. What is copyright? Copyright grants the creator of an original work exclusive rights to use, distribute for a limited time, and commercialize your works. So it gives you exclusive rights. So it makes sure that if you have come up with copyrightable work, it can be, a painting you have done, a song maybe you have written, the lyrics of your song, they are copyrightable. So it makes sure that you are the only one who can use it, distribute it, and even sell it. No one else can reproduce your work, so it protects you. In Kenya, it's not a must you register copyright, because of course, as long as you can prove that you're the original author of your work, then no one else, then you have a case. Yeah, it is sufficient evidence. As long as you can show that you're the first person to produce that work, you ordered it in the beginning, then it can protect you. Let me just give you examples of copyrightable work. Literary work such as poems, books. Yeah, if you have authored a book or a poem and you have put it in a written form, that is copyrightable. Musical. Yeah, you have musical works. You have come up with a song. Artistic works. Maybe you have painted, you have drawn something, it is in a material form, then you can protect your work. Even photography, you can protect your photographs, yeah, against use by other people without your consent. Software, you can copyright the source code and the object code of your software against use by other people, so you can register for copyright against exploitation by other people. And then copyright does not protect an idea. Copyright protects the form in which the idea is expressed. So make sure that your work is in material form. Yeah. In Kenya, copyright lasts for the lifetime of the author and 50 years after that. So 50 years after you are gone, if you created some copyrightable work, then it's going to outlast you for another 50 years. Yeah, so let's go to patents. A patent protects an invention, a product, or a process that offers a new technical solution. Yeah, so something that you have come up with, something that is unique, something that is not obvious. Yeah, it can be a process that makes things easier. It can even be an improvement of an existing product, as long as you can show you have done some improvements on it. Maybe, yeah, it is not obvious, it is useful to the people, you can patent that. In Kenya, registration of patents is done at KIPI, Kenya Industrial Property Institute. You can start the process online, and then I think you submit the forms there. The other thing is patent. There is a criteria for patentability. First, you have to prove that you have come up with something new, innovativeness. Yeah, it is something that it shows you have been creative, you have come up with something. There is some form of creativity involved. It is functional. It is useful to the community. We talk about innovations focusing on the user, the person who is using it. It must be useful to them, and then it must be new. Yeah, something that is not obvious. So if you want to patent any product or something you have come up with, then it must be new, useful, functional, and innovative. So that is the criteria for patentability. In Kenya, you can patent your product, and then you will be protected for 20 years. After that, the product will be available for use by other people, so they can exploit your product. So this makes sure that you don't hold the monopoly of maybe producing a certain product that maybe it's so much needed out there. So after 20 years, after you're able to maybe make some gains later, then after 20 years, then it is made available for use in the community. Today we just highlighted the various types of intellectual property, trademarks, copyright, trade secrets, and patents. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Until next time, keep safe.